testing a 300-gallon Kripaco. You can see the process. It's got a bottom straight, fully side jacket, 300 gallon with a baffle. Top center drive. Probably 3 horsepower range. 224 fluid. Side down discharge. There it is. Steve tested it. Looks like it goes to 30 psi. You don't want to test too high. Pimple jacket 40 on the side, 30 on the bottom. So it's got 2 zones on it. Find it here at Champion Trading and champtrading.com on the web in Marlboro, New Jersey. Look at that. Test pressure 30 40 psi. Nice. Find it on the web, champtrading.com. Thanks. Have a great day. Jim Matthews.